Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off the driving line in Forza Horizon 6. Now the driving line is this little feature, as you can see in front of me. There are blue arrows, which basically indicate the best path to take and when to accelerate and when to decelerate. The driving lines appear in races and also when you set a waypoint. And yeah, they tell you which path you should take. Blue means accelerate and red means decelerate. If you want to turn this off, all you need to do is open your pause menu, go into settings, and then in difficulty, in the middle, there is one that says driving line. When it's set to full, that means you'll get both red and blue arrows. Braking only is just the red arrows showing you when to brake, and off turns it completely off. Don't forget to save your changes. And as you can see, the driving line is now off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. See ya.